Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick little DIY do-it-yourself type thing on a dresser. We're going to actually use this dresser for the baby room, and the dresser is as far as I know, not real wood. So I wanted to do this video because I didn't see a lot of videos on how-tos for like not real furniture. So the dresser was originally brown, and this is how it looks right now. We've already primed it. I'm going to show you guys the products that we use. This is a primer. It's kind of like a oh, that was soft, Brandon.
It's soft?
Yeah. It's like well, over here is rough. I don't know why.
I didn't use enough.
Yeah, it's kind of rough on this one.
Maybe I can put more on there.
Yeah, might have to, because I don't understand why this one's soft. But yeah, so we just basically prime them so the paint can stick, because like I said before, it isn't real wood. So since it's not real wood, we wanted to make sure that we have something that can actually hold the paint. I'm going to show you guys. Let me see that. This is the primer. It's by Rust-Oleum. What does it say on there? Universal bonding primer. The girl at the at Lowe said that we needed, here you go, a bonding primer. And I think I'm gonna title this under $30 because we didn't spend a lot of money to paint. I think the brushes were the most expensive thing, honestly.
$6.
Yeah, the cans of that stuff was like $6.98, and we actually found this Valspar paint right here.
It's open now.
I see it, and it says, what does it say? $2.50. They actually use this, you know, when somebody buys the paint and then they return it. So that's $2.50, and that's the signature paint. So that's considered as like one of their best Valspar paints. And we just got it in white because we wanted to just stick to a basic color for it. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into this video, and you guys are gonna see what we do, and hopefully we make progress with this. So you already recording?
Yep.
I think it's gonna be a mess. You don't have to be so up close and personal.
Don't let it fall over. Nice strokes. You don't want it to look tacky.
I know, right? If you were to do it, how would it look?
Good. I do this stuff.
Okay guys, so basically everything is pretty much done. We painted, we did one coat of the primer, and actually we did two on the top of the dresser because we thought it was going to make a difference as far as in with the roughness, but it didn't do anything. It changed absolutely nothing. So I think one coat would have been perfectly fine with it. That's like one can of that Rust-Oleum primer, and it was like $6.98. Like I said, I'm gonna leave everything in the description, but it was like $6.98 for that and one coat. And I personally did not have to do 2 coats of paint, but I had to do 2 coats of paint because that's how I am. It could have just went with 1 and it would have gave you that like that rustic look, and I love stuff like that, but I just wanted it to be done, you know, properly, and I didn't want anything to like be peeling off easily. So I went ahead and did 2 coats. Everything looks really good. I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. I'm literally sitting down. I don't want to hear no smack about y'all can't do this, because Brandon did help me. Before anybody thinks that he just left me stranded, he did help me, but I am a perfectionist with stuff like this, so it was just like, move out my way, like, you know, because I was like, I want to do this myself. So I did this 8 months pregnant, okay? So just needed him to move stuff, but you can do it. It's very easy, and it's inexpensive, you guys. Like $2.50 for the paint. Not even a half of that can is gone, and I have painted all 6 dressers and the body of the dresser. $2.50. You just have to pay attention when you go into Lowe's for the deals and stuff, because we actually weren't going to get the paint because we thought that the paint was yellow, because it had like yellow dots and specks on it. And I was like, excuse me, ma'am, can you tell me, you know, what color is this? And she was like, it's white. I was like, white? I said, can you tell me if I can use this on a dresser? Oh, she was like, oh, that's the signature paint, it'll work. I was like, okay, you don't gotta tell me twice. But she was like, but I do suggest you get a primer. So that's why we went ahead and got the primer and everything, because she said any slick surfaces, the paint would just basically roll off because it's like a latex paint or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna get up now so I can show you guys how everything looks. Just lazy. I was covered in paint. It took me forever to get my hands clean. They're still not clean, but oh well. I'm just impressed. So hold on one second. Let me show you guys the drawers. They look great. They really do. They look awesome. They look nice white, and I'll show you guys. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. And this is the dresser. Like I said, I painted it, and we brought it back in the house because it was already painted outside. But I put this little pink sheet up under there because I still want to touch. I wanted to touch things up, so I've already, you know, done that. And I touched everything up, and I promise you guys, like, it's gonna look so good when I put the dressers back in, the drawers back in. Sorry. It looks great. Like, it really does. You really can't tell that this was even a brown dresser other than like the inside stuff, but I think that's pretty much brown on all of them. But I definitely will say, like, I feel like for $2.50 for paint, maybe $12.98 for brushes. I'm still gonna list everything below, and that primer stuff was like $6.98. For that price, I'll do it any day, especially if you have an old dresser that you were going to get rid of anyways, because that dresser personally, well, it was going to get thrown away because we weren't going to use it anymore. We were going to just buy all new furniture for everything. And I was like, it's a baby room and she's not going to be in here, really. I just need it so I can organize clothes. So instead of throwing it away, let's make use of it. So that's what we did. And I am not upset. And I'm all about the DIYs, do it yourself, you know, stuff like that. I love stuff like that. So this was really up my alley. So it was really fun. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I'll still put some pictures in the video at the end so you guys can see like the fully finished product. Like, you know, how it looked after we finished it, when we put the drawers back in with the knobs and everything else. I'm gonna include all of that because I want you guys to really see and take advantage of this, because it is not hard at all. I promise, if I can do it, you can do it, because your girl is winded right now. I'm winded, okay? So, yeah, you guys have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget, anything that you need to know, you can always comment questions, you know, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. But everything that I did use will be in the description. So, guys, have a great day. Bye.